How to add playing a game status on Discord mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to add playing a game on Discord mobile status. So first thing first, just head over to your Discord application and make sure you are logged into your current account. And once you're inside here, just select your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now select settings, gear icon at the top right corner. And once you do that, simply select this data and privacy or privacy and security option. So it's the same thing, and just head over to here and you can see there is an option that is use data to personalize my Discord experience. So make sure you have enabled this option over here. So it basically allows us to use information such as who you talk to and what games you play. So make sure to enable that. And another thing what you can also do is just click on this add status button over here by heading over to your profile section and just enter or anything like this. I am playing certain game names just like this, and once you do that, click on save, and your friends should be able to see your status about your games that you are playing. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.